Vitamin D3 deficiency is affecting millions of people worldwide. Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sucheta Gandhe, the head and consultant of pathology department at CG Manavta Cancer Center. So today I am going to give you a brief information about vitamin D3 deficiency. So what is the role of vitamin D3 in our body? Vitamin D3 is very important in maintaining the bone health of our body. Secondly, it helps in maintaining the immune system of our body. And finally, it helps in the mood regulation of our body. Now let's talk about the risk factors associated with vitamin D3 deficiency. People above 50 years of age are more prone for vitamin D3 deficiency. Apart from that, people who have a limited exposure to sun, then those who have dark skin, those who have some medical illnesses like liver or kidney problems, even they predispose to vitamin D3 deficiency. How can one understand that he or she is deficient of vitamin D3? So if you have repeated mood changes, then you have consistent joint pain or bone pain. Apart from that, if you have repeated infections despite a good medication, then you can think that you have vitamin D3 deficiency. As per the latest research, vitamin D3 can also predispose to cardiac complications. So always get your D3 levels checked at annual intervals, at regular intervals. Now, what are the solutions to avoid vitamin D3 deficiency? First and foremost solution is expose yourself daily for 10 to minutes in sunlight. The period of exposure to sunlight should be prior to 8 a.m. So this is the first and foremost precaution that you will take. Then secondly, you can go for vitamin D3 supplements, as sufficient dairy products cannot suffice your daily requirements of D3. So always go for vitamin D3 supplements, but under the supervision of a doctor or a registered medical practitioner. And lastly, eat foods that are rich in omega-3 fatty acids like fish and fortified foods with omega-3 supplements. I would also like to highlight that keep your weight in check, because obesity is also one of the major factors in vitamin D3 deficiency. So always maintain a good weight, do not be overweight, and avoid vitamin D3 deficiency by maintaining your weight. Last but not the least, get your vitamin D3 levels annually checked. Call us for more details and for booking a blood test on vitamin D3. Thank you.